Hey there, YouTube friends. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a loose faucet. You can see our kitchen faucet got loose and it's swiveling around. So to fix that, I have to go under the sink. Okay, now to tighten the faucet, all I have to do is tighten this nut right here. Over time, this gets loose. And it's good because I have these 3 screws that kind of torque the nut down once you have it tight. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to loosen these screws a little bit with a Phillips head screwdriver. And I have one over here that I got to get. Okay, so now what I could do is I could use the screws to tighten it like that. You see how I'm able to move it, because I wouldn't be able to get my fingers around the nut. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have Rita straighten it up top for me. Rita, can you straighten that? Let me know when you got it straight.
Okay.
Got it straight? Okay, so now I can wrap my hands around these screws and tighten it just by hand. Now you hold it tight up there.
Okay, got it.
Okay?
Yep.
So now I can just make it as tight as I need to tighten it. And then what I'll do is let's get the, now that I got it nice and tight, I'll take my Phillips head screwdriver and I'll tighten these screws. And that kind of clamps it down, so when we move the faucet back and forth, it stays in place. Now, if you have this problem and you get under the sink, it looks a little different, which it might. You might need what they call a basin wrench to tighten that, but they're relatively cheap. And in some cases, it might not even be like a brass nut like you're looking at. It might just be plastic if it's a newer sink and faucet. But it's an easy fix. You could do it. And if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. More DIY videos to come. And we're all done here. So we'll catch you next time. See ya.